Hello, this is Tasha from Landpack Machinery Company. Today, I'd like to show you a packing solution that uses the same feeding and weighing system to package these two types of bags. Then, let's take a look at the details of this machine. This is the Z-type conveyor, conveying the material to the metal detection machine. And that is the metal detection machine. If the machine detects the metal, this part will be discharged from this pipe, and the part without the metal will be filled into the weir. Then the multi-height weir will weigh the material and feed into the packing machine. This bag is packaged by this machine, and this one is packaged by this machine. They both use the same laser coating machine. Then let's take a look at the vertical packing machine first. After weighing finished, the material will be filled into the packing machine, and then the machine will automatically pour the film to make bags. And this bag has the circle cover and the easy tear mark. Then the machine will cut and output the finished products. Please take a look at here. Our machines all have wheels. Now, let's move away the vertical packing machine and change it to the Doypack packing machine. Now, we have completed the replacement, and this is our Doypack packing machine, and this is the finished products. Now, let's take a look at the details of this machine. This is the bag feeder device, feeding the bag to the machine. Then the machine will pick up the bags, then open, filling the material to the bags, finally seal and output the finished products. Let's see the machine running. Please send us more inquiry to get more details. Bye-bye.